Understanding fake goods. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a term you might hear quite often, especially if you're shopping: fake goods. It's important to understand what this means, especially if you want to make informed decisions as a consumer. So let's get started and unravel the mystery of fake goods together. Fake goods are items that are made to imitate or replicate popular products of well-known brands, but they are not genuine. They are designed to look like they are made by legitimate companies, but they are actually unauthorized copies. These goods are often sold at a lower price because they do not maintain the quality or standards of the real products. Spotting fake goods can be tricky, but there are a few tips and tricks. Firstly, check the quality of the material. Original brands often use higher quality materials. Look at the craftsmanship. Irregular stitching or loose threads can be a giveaway. Branding is another area to examine closely. Misspellings or incorrect logos are clear signs of a fake. Lastly, consider the price. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Buying fake goods might seem like a great deal, but it comes with consequences. They are often of inferior quality and can be unsafe or unreliable. Moreover, by buying fakes, consumers unintentionally support illegal activities like labor exploitation and tax evasion. It's also unfair to the original creators who invest time and resources into developing their products. The sale of fake goods can have a significant impact on the economy. It affects the revenue of legitimate businesses and can lead to job losses. Additionally, governments lose out on tax income, which can impact public services. The production of fake goods also often overlooks environmental regulations and worker rights, leading to broader social and ethical issues. I hope this video has been informative and gives you a clear understanding of fake goods and why they are a problem. Remember, being an informed consumer not only protects you but also supports ethical business practices. Until next time, stay smart and stay informed.